When a presentation moves from slide to slide, that's called a slide transition. Right now, we don't have any special effects, any special transitions. And when you don't have special transitions between slide to slide, your presentation's kind of boring. So we're going to click on slide number 1, and you always want to pick an exciting or a dynamic option. Exciting or dynamic options. Exciting or dynamic options. Then you always increase the time duration. Don't have any of your transitions last lower than 2 seconds. I'm going to change the effect so my bird now goes in the opposite direction that it did originally. And now I'm going to move on to slide number 2, and I'm going to add some. I can click apply to all if I so choose, but I'm not going to. So I'm going to click on slide number 2, and I'm going to decide, I'm going to pick the push option in this case, and then I'm going to up the time. Okay, like I said, always 2 seconds or above. 2.5 is even better. I'm going to go to slide number 3. I'm going to pick a fade as a lousy transition, so never go with that. I'm going to pick the split transition. And I say, I don't like that, so I'm going to pick another one. Cube. Cube's kind of cool. And then I always increase the time, so my effect can be observed by the readers, by my viewers. If I have fast transitions, why have them? And so now I'm going to increase the duration. Okay, each slide has its own transition effect. We could have solved this problem and just did apply to all, but sometimes doing a little bit of variety is nice because then your users don't know what to expect on your transitions. But if you have a super long presentation, just do apply to all. It's a lot easier. And so now I can now also do the same effect to multiple slides. So I'm going to click on slide 7, scroll to the end and click on slide 11. So now the transition effect I pick is going to be applied to all those slides, because I don't want to take forever to do my slide transition. So now I'm going to click on fracture, which is like breaking glass. I say, I don't really like that transition, so I'm going to pick another one. You can pick any transitions that you want as long as you have transitions between every slide and you increase the duration. Okay, your durations have to be 2 seconds or more, or why have them? A very fast